Hey everyone, hope you all are doing extremely well. So in this video, we are going to talk about multiple hiring opportunities. So definitely the video is going to be helpful for you. But before proceeding further, make sure to watch the video till the end so that you are not having any doubt regarding the hiring process, the best you're gonna hire and everything, right? Also, make sure to subscribe this channel. If you haven't subscribed till now, the channel is going to be helpful for you and definitely it will work as a motivation for me as well to make more such videos for you and be a part of our Telegram channel as well. The link for the Telegram channel is given in the description itself. Well, let's talk about our first opportunity that is from KPIT. So KPIT is hiring for the role of trainee engineer and this opportunity is for 2021 batch. Okay, so here's this form given where you have to provide all the information related to your personal information, your educational details. You can simply go through it and whatever they have asked for you, you have to provide it. Also, just a humble request, as we can see, the form is kind of like so many things they have asked for is. So before submitting the form, make sure to check your details so that it is not going to be problematic for you because what happened is uh, the students do mistake and later on it is very hard to like communicate with the company and do tell them okay this thing I have done wrong in my form and all these things. So if you don't want to face all these problems then make sure to check the details after filling the form. And here at the last you can see, so how did you come to know about this opportunity? You can select, obviously YouTube help you as if you are watching this video currently. Now what is your preference for this day 2 coding test? So D2 coding test, about this they have asked your preference, so accordingly you can choose that coding exam you want in C and embedded C programming, or you want OOD concepts and coding in C++ or coding in MATLAB, fundamentals of machine learning and deep learning. So they have kind of provided you a choice that in whichever part you are good at, you can choose that accordingly. Fundamentals in coding, Java and allied technology. So you can choose according to you, right? So they have asked for certain, like so many things they have asked for is what is your comfort level with programming tools and everything. So accordingly be genuine in all these things. It's not just you are trying to show yourself what you are not actually, you're trying to show yourself as over smart. I know, be genuine, whatever you know. So accordingly you have to fill this particular form. So this was the first opportunity from KPIT. Let's talk about our next opportunity that is from InnoMinds. So InnoMinds is hiring smart and trained engineers. So this opportunity is for 20 and 21 batch. Well, what I'm seeing right now is that there are too many opportunities for 20 and 21 batch. So I think rarely there will be anyone who will not be placed, or like you can see many companies are hiring for 20 and 21 batch. Okay, let's see further. I hope that you all get praised who are from not from 2021 but from all the batches and watching the video currently, so you all get praised. Okay, so we are looking for immediate joiners, preferably 6 to 12 months experience. If you are, they are going to prefer 6 to 12 months of experience holded person. So if you are holding this much of experience then it is going to be a kind of advantage for you, but not mandatory as if they have specified preferably. Okay, location is going to be Hyderabad. Educational qualification is 70% and above they need. 10th, 12th, uh, they're asking for graduation, engineering, MCA, MTech, so they all are eligible. Now, hiring process, they have specified so online assessment and virtual interview. Okay, and see here, what is the thing? They haven't specified the branch. Many students do ask me in the comment section whether it is for this branch or not. So here, as if they haven't specified any branch, so go for it, apply for it, because they haven't specified any branch. If they are looking for a particular set or from a particular branch, they'll be specifying it, right? But as of now they haven't specified anything regarding branch here. So test pattern, they have mentioned first of all aptitude will be there, then communication round, and then technical assessment. Upon selection you're required to report for training at our Hyderabad office. So now this is one thing, that it is not going to be from home. You have to report to their Hyderabad office. Fine. So now this is the form. They have asked for your name, your personal email ID, your contact number. Please specify your current residing address. Okay. Specify your educational percentage. Specify your educational percent in 12th grade, in BTech, MTech, in MCA. Specify your educational percentage that is scored in highest level of graduation. and year of passing of your highest degree. So if you're from 2020, select that, as otherwise select 21. So are you experienced? If you are holding some kind of experience, like if you have done some internship or so, you can select yes. Make sure that it should be a technical internship and having some role in your advancement in your career. It's like it's a relevant internship, it should be. That's what I want to say. Okay, and the technical language that you would like to appeal for online assessment. So again, for this time also, be wise. The language which you are confident about, choose that particular language only, right? So here's our next opportunity. Well, that is a scholarship for women. So Nutanix Heart Advancing Women in Technology Scholarships. Nutanix believes in the power of diversity and realizes that a key component to driving innovation is cultivating diverse teams. So let's read about this. So first of all, for scholarship eligibility, what do we have is full-time undergraduate or graduate students during the 2022-2023 school year is eligible for this one. Pursuing a degree in computer science, computer engineering, electrical engineering, and computer science or software engineering, attending school in the US, India, UK, Serbia, or Australia, minimum 3.5 GPA in countries that utilize GPA scoring, demonstrate strong leadership and communication skills, demonstrated record of co-curricular activity and community service. So here's the scholarship details provided, that as many as 2 scholarships up to $10K each will be awarded in the United States to apply towards tuition and fees. As many as 5 scholarships up to $3,000 each will be awarded in India to apply towards tuition and fees. As many as 1 scholarship for UK, and for other places as well, they have specified. So application has been opened from October 1, 2021. Application deadline is 13 May 2022. Winner and non-winners will be notified by July 31st, 2022, and scholarship check issues by August 2022. So again, this is an amazing opportunity. Those who are meeting the eligibility criteria, so make sure to fill this. You have to apply for this. Make sure to apply before the given deadline. So here's this simple button that you have to press. You have to fill out the details that they have asked for. Right. So these were 3 amazing opportunities for all of you. I hope that you have found this video useful. If it is so, make sure to hit the like button. Do subscribe this channel, and bye bye everyone.